Fish Had a Wish by Michael Garland. Fish had a wish. I wish I were a bird, said Fish. I could fly high up in the sky. I wish I were a turtle. I could take a nap on a sunny rock. I wish I were a skunk. I could make a big sting. If I were a bobcat, I could have spots. If I were a bee, I could buzz from flower to flower. I could be a beaver and build a big dam. I could be a butterfly with pretty wings. I wish I was a snake. Hiss. A mayfly landed on the water. Fish ate the bug with one bite. That was so good, said Fish. It is good to be a fish. I wish to stay a fish. Yes, to stay a fish is what I wish. The end.